Lovage, also known as Levisticum officinale, is an herb with a strong aroma which has been utilized over the centuries to treat ailments due to its qualities. It's native to the southern part of Europe as well as the western part of Asia and is part of the Apiaceae family. The history of lovage is long of use in the past for its digestive benefits and diuretic wonder. In this post, we'll look at the advantages and benefits of lovage and the ways it may aid in the digestion process and encourage the health of your urine. Lovage is renowned for its potent flavor and distinctive aroma. Its flavor is like celery or parsley, which makes it a favorite ingredient in stews, soups, as well as salads. But it isn't only a delicious herb, it has a broad variety of advantages for health. One of the major advantages of lovage is the capacity to improve digestion. It is high in essential oils as well as compounds which stimulate digestion enzymes. The enzymes aid in breaking down foods and increase absorption of nutrients. Also, lovage has carminative qualities. This means it can help relieve gas and constipation. A regular intake of lovage may aid in relieving symptoms of indigestion like abdominal pain or discomfort. Apart from helping digestion, it also is a diuretic. It is a diuretic, which means it increases the flow and production of urine. It also assists in flushing out waste and toxins out of the body. Lovage is a source of diuretic compounds like flavonoids and coumarins, which increase the amount of urine produced and encourage regular urination. Through encouraging the removal of fluids that are not needed, lovage helps reduce the amount of water retained and swelling, especially for those suffering from edema or kidney issues. Additionally, lovage is a natural anti-inflammatory properties which can to reduce inflammation within the digestive tract and improve the overall health of your gut. Inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract may lead to a variety of digestive issues, including IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, as well as IBD, also known as inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Anti-inflammatory substances that are found in lovage may help heal the intestinal lining and decrease inflammation, possibly helping people who suffer from such conditions. The Lovage brand is also renowned for its antimicrobial qualities. It is a rich source of essential oils which possess potent antimicrobial properties against a variety of pathogens, including the fungi and bacteria. The antimicrobial qualities of lovage make it an effective tool for preventing and treating infections, especially within the urinary tract as well as the digestive tract. Through preventing the development of harmful bacteria, it can aid in maintaining the balance of microbial health within the digestive tract and stop the growth of pathogens. Alongside the diuretic and digestive benefits, in addition, it is rich in minerals and vitamins that aid in overall well-being and health. It's a great food source for vitamin C, vitamin A, manganese, and potassium. These are vital nutrients to maintain a healthy immunity, healthy vision, as well as proper nerve function. The lovage diet also has significant levels of magnesium and calcium that are essential for maintaining strong bones and healthy teeth. Although lovage has numerous health benefits, it must be taken with caution. As with all herbs and supplements that is consumed in excess, love can cause adverse side effects. It is essential to talk with the advice of a medical professional or herbalist prior to incorporating lovage in your daily diet, particularly in the case of any existing medical conditions or take medications. It is an herb that has amazing diuretic and digestive properties. Its capacity to improve digestion, encourage healthy urinary tract, decrease inflammation, and combat bacterial diseases makes it an excellent supplement to a balanced diet. It is crucial to take care when using lovage and with moderation. Through harnessing the power of lovage, we will enhance our digestion as well as overall health. Take a look at incorporating it in your daily diet and reap the numerous benefits that it can provide.